in terms of my dream support team, it's really simple. I use that genius matrix to decide where I spend my time. Because it's not about the people initially, it's about the tasks that are time and energy draining that I want to offload, and those that don't actually add real value to what I have to offer. So the genius matrix is really simple. It's just like a cross. At the top, you have genius or flow. This is when you do something and you're just so in the zone, time disappears. Excellent as you go, yeah, I'm really excellent at this. You put in the hours, you've clocked up the time, but it's still not flow. And then down below that, you've got good, where you go, yeah, I'm good, I can do this. And the other quadrant is either okay or crap. So my dream team is I do an inventory of all the things and tasks I have to do, and I go, sure, I can do that, but who is up in this, above this line, that they will just absolutely, they're just dying to do it, and I'll pay for that. So I'm looking for the task to allocate, and then I'm looking for someone who's in this place of excellent to hand it over to. I'm not going to be handed it to someone who operates below the line. That's not going to happen. Yeah. So that's how I build my dream support.